Chandra Hasan Reddy Garu, to escort ma'am to the dais, Bharatiya Satyavani Garu, and express our gratitude for joining us on this momentous occasion. Let us welcome Srivarsha on the dais to present a beautiful bouquet to ma'am. Mr. Shiv Shankar Garu to escort her to the dais. Our esteemed chairman and founder, Dr. Ettula Rajavardhan Reddy Garu. Today, as we come together to celebrate the spirit of achievement, growth and togetherness on this annual day, we are deeply grateful to have this guiding presence of someone who has been instrumental in shaping the success and future of this organization. On behalf of entire NKPS family, we extend our warmest welcome to you, sir.
Great dynamic educator and a leader, Srimati Krishnaveni Garu. She is not only a teacher, but also as a visionary leader who has contributed immensely to the field of education, leadership and values. Her life has shaped the lives of countless students, and we are privileged to have her with us tonight.
కలుపుకుని తింటే వచ్చే ఆనందం ఏదైతుందో రుచి ఏదైతుందో అది ఇంతకుముందు వెంకటకృష్ణ గారు చెప్పిండు, మనం దాన్ని ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయించాలి. అది తల్లి బాధ్యత. అట్లనే తండ్రి కూడా అతి ప్రేమలు చూపించకుండా పిల్లలను ఒక శిక్షణగా ఒక సంరక్షణగా ముందు ఉండి నడిపించాలి.